Hi guys, so you're here to see how to achieve this look. Let's get straight to it.
So we'll go through a few scenarios how I got to this stage, and you'll see the process that I went through. Right now I'm on the tight shot, which is the Canon 550, and I'll show you the various shots that you can achieve in this location. So I'm standing up at the moment, so now if I sit down I can show you how that would look. So as I'm standing up, there's a light here which is currently lighting me up. So if I turn that off, it'll get a bit darker there. And now if I sit down, my secondary light will be ready for the table shot. Take my jacket off, get relaxed. Okay guys, so now you can see how easy that is to change between shots. So now you can see the camera I was looking at earlier was the 50mm 1.4 standing shot. Now I'm sitting down, slightly different lighting arrangement, more focus on the desk. If there's products that need to be shown or talking about, you can easily change that.
If you're a photographer and you don't have this lens, you need to get it because it'll be amazing. And what you get with this lens is
so I do like the versatility of this environment now, because I've got a few different things I can do here. I've got a few different angles I can shoot. So I'm hoping that this is going to give you something to think about, because we all have a look.
So you can see here natural lighting is only one bulb at the moment in the loft lighting us. So I'll show you the other options with the additional lights. I'm about 3 foot away from the wall behind me. There's the camera, and that's where I'm standing here. Now I'll start putting lights up and letting you see how that looks. That's the first light, so that shows you how it looks. It's probably a bit too intense, but you could put a softbox on that. So that's one light at the moment. If I turn this light off and put the back hair light on, you'll see the different one off. And now turn the back hair light on. So now you should see backlighting here. Okay, so I put that's just the backlight. Now I put both lights on. So there's both lights. So now that should be giving me the look I want on the DSLR. So there should be a bit of darkness in the background. Should be lighting me talking and making me look a bit presentable. So that's one option with 2 lights. So this is getting closer to what we wanted. That light there, kind of, and that's completely turned off. So you can see how much power is coming out of that little LED panel. That's turning it back on. So now we're getting a lot more closer to what we want. At the moment this is a bit tight. I'd like it a bit wider, but there's room because I've got the 2 cameras for close-ups and wide shots. But at the moment with the hairlight in the back and the softbox up front, this is giving us a better look. It's a bit dark back there, but this light can move over, the ambient light, just to give us that little bit of interest in the background and get rid of that clutter. This light has a little plastic casing on top which is magnetized, so I put that there, just did that, and I've got an old CD rack which are well obsolete now because CDs used to be cool. So what I do is put that down and then rest that as an angle, and now hopefully behind me, behind me you'll see a bit of a glow. It's pink at the moment, so I think I've got a blue one somewhere. I'll find a blue one and then mix the colours and make it a bit more nice. So I'm using a 550D at the moment to record this. Throughout the little clips that I've got put together, I used the 5D Mark II, I used my mobile phone and adjusted some bits because of lighting, just to see how and what works. So I basically scouted out a few rooms in the house to see which would be the best option for this setup.